Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Courtney and I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark and eBay. Today I'm here with a short haul. It was actually, I think this was probably my worst dollar day yet at Goodwill's. But I did get a few things I thought I'd share. I did pay up for one thing, but I was pretty excited about it. But really, honestly, I've got one thing that I've got to return because there was some damage. I've never actually tried to return at the LA Goodwill's, but I think they allow 7 days with a receipt and if the tag's still included. I get why some Goodwills don't allow returns. It's just like why Poshmark doesn't allow returns. Someone could go and wear an item and return it or something. I don't know. That's just my thought. But LA apparently does. I haven't tried it. I'm going to try it with one of the items, which I'll show you. But yeah, I got 17 items, 18 if you count the one that I'm returning. I spent $54.96. The one I'm returning was an extra $9.99, but hopefully I can get that money back. And I should be able to make about $473 to $583 in sale price. But it was half a day. I didn't go. I went to 2 stores probably for about 4 hours. This was actually the day where my power went out, and so I kind of had to skedaddle pretty quick. And so I guess it's not terrible for half a day, but I just wasn't excited leaving. Maybe I was stressed about my power outage, but anyway, so average cost of goods was $323 and the expected average sale price should be somewhere between $27 and $34. So not terrible, like once I run the numbers, but yeah, just kind of a bummer of a day for me. So anyways, if you aren't already subscribed and you like reseller content, usually I'm more upbeat and have better hauls than this, hit the subscribe button down below. And if you like this video, when I kind of keep it real and show you the not so great hauls as well, hit the thumbs up, let me know, I appreciate it. All right, first up, I'm gonna show you the one I paid up for. And I don't mind paying up for things if I think the value's there and if I just am excited about it. And if you watched, I had a video where I talked about I bought a fake Dooney & Bourke. Well, I learned a lot when I was doing research for that. So I feel a lot better picking up Dooney & Bourke's, and this is just amazing. Like I actually might keep this for a while before I sell it because I just think it's such a great style. There is some wear, but I just think it's classic. It's a great color. It's in pretty decent condition. I mean, there's some signs of wear in the corners, but it hasn't like gone through or anything. And actually that might be able to be cleaned up with a little leather conditioner, but just great condition. I can't remember what the inside was. Yeah, it's pretty good inside. There's the little Dooney & Bourke tag and then the serial numbers on the back of that. So it's just a great bag. They were asking $19.99. I could have waited until it went to $1 a day, but I don't think this would have been there. This was actually in the luggage area and I like it a lot. So I paid up for it. And I knew I was getting a lot of dollar items in my cart. So the average of the day was still reasonable. With this one, I'm hoping, some vintage Dooney & Bourke's can go for over 200. Some people are letting go for 30. I just think this is so classic and just so great of a style that I'm going to start this high. I'm going to start this about 175, hope for about 125 to 150, depending on how long it sits. But, and I don't know when I'm going to get it listed. Like I should list it now, but I'm really tempted to keep this for a few months before I sell it. But yeah. This next one was kind of, I think this was when I was leaving the second store and I was kind of in a hurry and there was a line and there's this really nice woman and she looked at my cart and I had 2 Diane von Furstenberg travel bags and she pointed out and she's like, oh my gosh, I love those. There are some spots, but I feel like travel bags, who cares? It's just a great style. She pointed out and she was looking at one and just friendly conversation while waiting in the line. And she noticed that one of them had a pretty big gash. So this was full price. This was $7.99, but I feel like it's part of a set. I wish I would have had the set because I think it would have been better as a set. But even with the signs of wear, I'm going to try and see if I can clean it up, get any of that off. If not, I think maybe someone has this color already and wants another bag. It's got both straps and I just liked it. It's classic. So with this, because of the wear, some of them were going for a little bit more. I'm going to start this a little high at 75, hope for about 40 to 50. Hopefully I can clean it up a little bit, but I just wish I could have gotten the second bag, which was a little bigger, but that would have been a nightmare to ship. Not a nightmare, but it would have cost more. So these I was really excited about because I've never found this brand. And this, there's a pair of shoes that kind of have a wood, not wedge, but heel. And it's by the designer Rachel Comey. It's going to be really hard to see. But it does say Rachel Comey, C-O-M-E-Y. And I was really excited when I looked up comps. I felt like I had seen other people pick this up, but these were full price. I paid $7.99. And the bummer is when I got home, which I'm still going to sell them, if you see back here, there's some damage to the wood. I mean, I don't mind like light scuffing, but like that's like very clearly damaged. So some of her boots are selling, and shoes like this are selling easily $100 to $200. I think with that wear, I'm probably going to start at about 75 and just allow room for offers for about 40 to 50. Just because I think they're still wearable, they're still really cute. I do just want to bring that down the price because I don't think that's repairable. So again, I don't think it's a deal breaker for someone to wear them, and it is a very expensive brand. I think their shoes original price are $400 to $500. So, all right, the one item I'm going to take back, because when I got it home, I realized there's just a lot of pulls and I just don't want to deal with them. And I paid full price because it was the end of the day and I wasn't picking up much. So I just needed to get some stuff to make the driving, the time and gas money worth it. But this is an Elizabeth and James. It's just a really pretty blazer. I really love this, how it kind of folds over. And yeah, I've had pretty decent luck with this brand. Here's the tag, size 8, which is great. But when I got home, which I'm sure it probably won't pick up, but there are just a lot of pulls in the fabric. And maybe I could do some work on it, but it's not worth my time right now. If this were in great condition, I would probably list it at maybe 75 and hope for about 40 to 50 in that range. But in that condition, I wouldn't feel good about sending it off, and I don't want to put in the work, and it might even be just like damaged. I mean, it's small pulls, but a lot of them. So anyways, I'm going to return that. Hopefully it still has the tag on there, which is actually why I left all the tags on here, because I was going to try and inspect them all. Normally I cut them off right when I get home and add them to my spreadsheet, but because I noticed that, I was just, yeah. And then this is the last item that I bought full price, which I just thought was too cute to pass up. And I don't think I've ever picked up this brand. I know some people have decent luck with it. It's Sundance, which is a catalog brand. This is, what's his name? Mayor of Carmel. A very handsome man, actor. I can't remember his name, but I think that's his catalog line. And I just loved the style. It was a size 10, I believe, and 55% silk, 45% cotton, and just love the color, love the style. So with this, I'm actually hoping to get between 30 to 40. Some of the skirts do pretty well, so. All right, the rest of the items are dollar items. So the color of the week was purple. These are a pair of cool K-U-H-L pants, and they are a slim leg. Yeah, slim leg, skinny leg, and they're size 14, which is awesome. So they're not like hiking pants, like that weird material that you get in a lot of, they're just kind of regular pants, but skinny, good fall color, and a great size. So I'm going to aim a little high with this. I'm going to probably start these because of the size, because they're skinny or slim. I'm probably going to start these at about 44, but if they don't sell right away, I'm really only hoping to get about 28 to 32. But yeah. This one I picked up for style. I know it's UO is Urban Outfitters, which I didn't tie this, so let's just do that real quick. This is, I saw the tag, it was $1, and I liked the size. They're culottes, and they're a size large, I believe. Yeah, a size large. This front part has a tie, but it's also got elastic back here. And I mean, just a great classic piece. It's Alice and UO, which is Urban Outfitters. I don't know who the Alice is, but if you guys know who the Alice is, let me know. I did Google it quickly, but I couldn't find But yeah, the comps on this product don't look too great because of the size. I'm probably going to start at about 30 and then hope for about 20 to 24 for this. But yeah, it might only go for, 18 or even 15 if it sits for a while. But I just think the size, and it's easy to wear. It's a great staple piece. Maybe I'll even wear it a few times. I'm not a culottes person, but maybe I'll try them on. This one was also, it's cute. I picked it up based off of style. It's kind of got these very faint print, and it's black with a faint blue gray, but I loved the bottom part. Kind of has the Lag and Look vibes. I think this is just a boutique brand. Some people were saying that the retail of this was like in the hundreds, but I think it's just a boutique brand, but I just liked it for style, and it was $1, and it's a size medium. The tag's on the inside. So with this, I'm going to hope for about 25 to 30 for that. This is a 00 J. Crew, really pretty, kind of a coral pink color, little sheath dress, and yeah, just J. Crew. I liked it. And with this one, I'm hoping to get about, I think I put red on there, but it's kind of a corally pink. About 20 to 24 for that. And this is like a little tennis skirt, but it's by American Apparel, and it's black, pleated, really cute. I grew up playing tennis, so I've worn a lot of tennis skirts. It's not for tennis. It just has the tennis skirt look. But anyways, it's an extra small and adorable. So I'm hoping to get about 15 to 20 for that. This is a Zara Man, little Argyle sweater, just basic, literally Zara Man basic. Size large and great for the season. So with that one, I'm hoping for about 15 to 20. This is I think this is another first for me of picking it up, but I liked the skirt. It's an XL, it's Garnet Hill, which I think is another catalog brand. And just comfortable, elastic waist, easy to wear. This actually would be really cute with, leggings and boots kind of thing. Anyway, so with that one, I'm going to hope for about 20 to 24. I know I get the question pretty much every video. When I say what I'm hoping for, is that where I'm going to price things? No, I price higher to allow room for offers. So for example, for that one, I'm going to probably start at about 30 and hope for about 20 to 25. I also don't mind sharing comps on here because I can always counter. If I think someone's coming in too soon, too low, I can always counter them at a different price. But I hope it's helpful to share that stuff. And comps are hit or miss. So, so this all this last stuff was $1. This is Madewell Texture and Thread, which is just one of their lines. It's a textured little cropped front tie, 3/4 length sleeves shirt. And, Madewell does not get too much, but for $1, I thought it was cute. And so I thought I'd pick it up. I'm only hoping to get about 15 to 20 for that. This one I got for style and size, just kind of easy. This is Carmen Mark Valvo. And I liked the detail up here. And I liked kind of the ruching on the sleeves. And it's just a cotton, easy to wear t-shirt. It's a size 2X. It's rayon and spandex. And I just liked it. So yeah, I'm hoping with this one to get, 15 to 20 as well. This one I picked up because it was super soft. I know it's a boutique brand, but I like the color and it's kind of perfect for the season. It's a little bit of a longer length, so I think it would be really cute with leggings. It's got the turtleneck top and it's just really soft, but it's intro. And with this, I'm hoping to get about 15 to 20. It does say this is a size small on the inside tag, I believe, but it's kind of a little oversized, which is why I think it'd be perfect. Yeah, size small with leggings and boots. It's just that time of year. This one I saw a couple weeks in a row, and I think the name of the brand is they probably maybe have regretted it, but it looked kind of like active wear. It was a good size 10. They were kind of capri, like a shorter capri length. And I looked it up the first time I saw it and it was like, well, they're selling, but just not for much. I think this is probably going to be better for eBay, but I'll list it on both. But yeah, so ISIS, ISIS, I'm not sure how they say it, but that's how it reads, which is why I think it might be, yeah. Anyways, but yeah, just kind of hiking capris. And a brown color, great neutral, size 10, which is awesome. Once I actually got home and looked up comps, I'm only hoping 15 to 20 at best for sale price. But again, for $1, it's easy to photograph. And I think they are actually a great style for kind of the outdoor active lifestyle. This is a Current Elliott, like a very light wash jean skirt or denim skirt. I like the length of it. Current Elliott tags are always a little hard to read, but this is a size 27 and I liked it. It's like a very, it almost looks white, but it's like just a very faint blue tint to it. So with this one, I'm hoping to get 20 to 24. And then last item is a fun little pop, good size, and it is Lucky brand, the Sweet and Crop, which is right there, size 10 or 30. And it just kind of has these cuffed capri length denim, fun pop of color. It's kind of a coral color as well. I'm trying to think, the lighting's hard to see. It's kind of a coral color. So these might not be best until spring, but who knows? Someone's going on vacation, they just want a fun pop, and they seem to be in really great condition. So everything here, you know, it was not terrible. I think I was stressed out that day because I knew my power was going out, and yeah, but it happens. And there's more dollar days, and a lot of dollar days for me are great. Just sometimes they aren't the best. So anyways, give the video a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.